Welcome to Network Indeed. I'm Sabir. Today I show up how to customize your desktop. And this is if you like this desktop, so you can see my video. And today I show up how to customize as like this desktop. Let's see. Okay. Uh, First, and you click text bar and unchecked your lock text bar. Okay, and drag in top. Okay, now text bar, we go to text bar setting. Okay, and now selected combine text bar button when text bar is full. Now you need on software download, and the software is object dock, and search in Google object dot free version. You can see this in official site or file hippo and any others you can got this. Okay, now I download this software from object dock official site. After complete download, you can install object dock. Now I going to installing this software. Okay, I agree this term and condition. Next, you can uncheck this. I think this not needed. Next, next, wait some minute for complete installing. I think this software is very much better uh, as like looks your desktop Mac OS, and you can easily buy do this. Okay, uh, our my software install link is complete. Wow, already comes Mac text bar. Now we need to the software configuration, and first time you need to doing this style version. For this you need only one email for collect dial version. Check your mail, you got on mail for verification. I going to my mail for verified my mail. Okay, I'm going to please be patient for seeing my video. This video really amazing for you because you got a very attractive desktop, and it's really very much nice. And I think you feel better for use this desktop. And remember, please subscribe my channel for more interactive tutorial. I think the networking bit is very much popular channel, and this is the very much and helpful channel. Hopefully you subscribe my channel, like, share, and invite your other friend. This is really so much uh, helpful tutorial. Okay, my email verification is complete. Now I remove top window. I go to configure object dock, click this, and cross tabbed dock. Okay, this gone. Now I select on my dock and show running application unchecked. Okay, unchecked. Okay, now I select all desktop, my all desktop files, because and drag uh, my Mac text bar, drag and drop. Okay, I already do, and it's a long tail. Yes, this is like Mac. Now being unchecked show desktop icon. Wow, this is really so nice my desktop. If you want text bar size mini small, okay, I do this. My text bar size is small, and really this is very much attractive look on my desktop, and really awesome. Hopefully my viewers enjoying my video. I think if you want you can change this effect also, and you go to setting, and any type of effect you can choose. it's your it's your satisfaction. Okay, thank you seeing my video. Hopefully you enjoying my video, and subscribe my channel.